Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to use the updated x.doc for the rooms and items page and pricing breakdown. Start by opening your proposal. Before you begin, create the rooms and items page by clicking the Add Section button in the top left corner. Choose the rooms and items page from the drop-down. The pricing breakdown section will automatically be added at the bottom of the sections, along with the rooms and items page. Easily rearrange the new section by dragging and dropping as per your preference. To add an item, click the Add Item button. Search for products in the combined library, including x.doc in My Library, select a product and click Add. You'll now see the item listed in your room. To modify any item, click the Edit button. This action will open the Edit Product Details dialog box, where you can alter the MSRP, pricing details, and labor details. Keep in mind that changes to labor settings from per item to overall or custom will be reflected in the labor details view. Once you've made your edits, click Save and Close. Rearranging items in the Rooms and Items section is as easy as dragging and dropping them in your preferred order. Deleting items is also simple. Click the Delete icon or select multiple items, and then click the Delete option. To add a room, use the option at the top of the page or select the option on the right to open the Add New Room to your proposal dialog box. You can name the room, add multiple rooms at once by increasing the quantity, and click the Create Room button. Your new room will appear, and you'll see it also in the Rooms and Items section. From here, you can easily switch between rooms. Adding items to a specific room follows the same process as before. Click the Add Item button, search for the product, and add it to Room 2. You can further edit product details. For instance, we have adjusted both product selling prices, and click the Save and Close button to save the settings. The three-dot action button allows for further customization. You can edit the name, hide the room, reorder it, delete it, and add room options. We've made a separate video on how to use the Add Room option. To rearrange the rooms, click the Reorder Room button and drag and drop them to change their order. Navigate to Show Hide Details. Here, you can choose what information to display in the final PDF, such as make, model, or both. If you prefer lump sum pricing, check the corresponding box. Toggle details on or off as needed, then click the Save button. Changes made here will be reflected in the document. For instance, we've selected to show the extended price and newly updated sections, the product description. Next, let's look at Rooms and Items settings. Here, you can adjust settings such as currency and exchange rates, layout preference, whether to show items categorically, and margin, markup, and discounts. You also have the option to apply a global margin or markup to all products at once. Finally, click the Save and Close button to save your settings. With these settings, all items are displayed categorically, with the global markup applied to each one. Then, we have the pricing breakdown section, which is added by default when you add the Rooms and Items page. Here, you'll also find the pricing breakdown settings. From here, you will be able to tweak your tax and discount preferences and shipping costs. Please note that you have to select tax and discount to add it to your pricing breakdown. Additionally, you have the option to choose between a percentage or an amount for the shipping cost. Once done, don't forget to click the Save and Close button. You'll see that the pricing breakdown table updates based on the sections you've added from the settings. You can also view the profit and labor analysis from the same page. You'll see the cost to the client and company, and the profit breakdown adjusts according to the labor type you've selected. To finish, use the Action button to review and submit the proposal, download it as a PDF or zip file, and perform other tasks. And there you have it. You're now well equipped to use the updated x.docs features. Thank you for watching. For more, log on to x.doc.com.